Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Voicemod Soundboard not working on Discord. All right, so let's begin with the video. If your soundboard is not working in Voicemod, especially when using it on Discord, the problem is usually caused by incorrect microphone or sound settings. First, open Voicemod and go to the settings section. In the audio settings, make sure your microphone input is set to the microphone you normally use on your computer. Even though the soundboard plays sounds instead of your voice, selecting the correct microphone prevents other audio issues. For the output device, it is recommended to choose your headphones instead of speakers. This helps avoid echo or feedback while using the soundboard. Next, you need to check your Windows sound settings. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From here, go to System, then go to Sound. Scroll down to the input section and make sure the input device is set to Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. This allows other applications to receive audio from Voicemod instead of your normal microphone. If there is an option to set it as the default device, enable that as well. After that, open Discord and go to User Settings. Scroll down to Voice and Video in the App Settings section. In the Input Device option, make sure it is set to Default or directly to Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. This ensures Discord receives the audio from Voicemod, including the soundboard effects. Once these settings are configured, you can test the soundboard by joining a voice channel or making a call with a friend. By making sure Voicemod is selected as the input device in both Windows and Discord, your soundboard should start working properly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Voicemod soundboard not working on Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.